Okay, we have a Monarch engine lathe, model 14C. It's 16-inch swing, 126-inch centers, new in 1945, an oldie but a goodie. We're gonna run it for you. All right, it's a low RPM. The machine has from 17 up to 700 RPM. We're gonna run a bunch of speeds. Ah. Forward and reverse, okay. That's forward again. All right, we're going to try some of the machine has a taper turning attachment, a Sony 2-axis digital readout, steady rest, 3-jaw chuck. Okay. It's different RPM. How high is that one? Well, we're not sure, but it's a different RPM. We can run a different speed. 319. 319, there we go. Okay. Threading. There's the threading. You can see it on the DRO. Feed. You can see that again on the digital readout. That's the cross feed. Yep. TAILSTOCK quill. Very nice. Okay. So you saw it feed, you saw it thread, you saw the digital readout work in two different, in both axes. You saw a bunch of different spindle speeds. Hey, thank you for watching our video.